Okay, this is the Sony model ICF-C1PJ. This is brand new from Sony. This is a state-of-the-art projection alarm clock radio, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown because this clock is absolutely incredible. It projects time on wall or ceiling and adjusts up to 180 degrees. It has fall asleep or wake up to soothing nature sounds, ocean, rain, birds, brook, or under the sea. You can charge your phone or mobile device with a USB charging port. It has a large, bright, white LED time display with brightness control, dual alarms, programmable sleep timer, automatic time setting. No matter where you plug this clock in, it sets automatically in any time zone. I really like that. I really like the quality of the projection, and I like the USB charging port shown here. Now it also comes with a nice antenna, and I'll show you the top two because this clock is very chic, very modern. It also has an extremely large speaker in the back of it.